Good morning, students. Welcome you again. Now, today we are going to start our next chapter of physics. First chapter, electricity. Almost we have completed every aspect of electricity. Today we are going to start our next chapter of physics, that is magnetic effect of electric current. That is magnetic effect of electric current. Magnetic effect of electric current. What do you mean by magnetic effect of electric current? First of all, you have to know about what is magnet. First of all, you have to know about what is magnet. Now, let us begin with the story. Story of magnet. From where we have got the magnet. Now, we are beginning the story of magnet. First, in a Greek, there was a place called Magnesia. There was a place called Magnesia, and there used to live a shepherd. There used to live a shepherd. There used to live a shepherd known as Magnes. One day, Magnes, along with his sheep is in the field. He used to have a stick. He used to have a stick. That in the stick, in the pointed part of the stick, what is there? There is a metallic cap. There is a iron metallic cap. When the shepherd is using that stick to the sheep, certainly it struck toward a stone. First, nobody know about the magnet, so he started crying about the ghost. After that, a team of scientists came and they know that there is nothing called ghost. There is something in that stone which used to attract some material. There is something in the stone which is used to attract some material. After that, many experiments, they came to know that the name is magnet. Old name magnetite. Magnetite. Old name of magnet. Old name of magnet. Old name of magnet. Now, what are the magnetic materials? Now, which type of substance this magnetite will attract? That is known as magnetic substances or material. Magnetic substances. Magnet will attract alnico, iron, nickel, cobalt, iron, nickel and cobalt. Means any iron magnet can attract iron, nickel or cobalt. It will attract only the particles made up of iron, nickel or cobalt. Now, after magnetite, actually this magnetite is also known as lodestone. This magnetite is also known as lodestone. Now the question arises, why it is known as lodestone? Magnet is known as lodestone because it is used to find the direction. It is used to find the direction. It is used to find the direction. That's why magnet is also known as lodestone. That's why magnet is also known as lodestone. After that, nowadays we are using the short name of magnetite, that is known as magnet. In this chapter, magnetic effect of electric current, we have to learn about the different phenomena related to the magnet. Now, there are two types of magnet, natural magnet and artificial magnet, that is man-made magnet. Naturally magnets are available, but it cannot fulfill all the demand of nowadays growing nation. So artificially we have to make the magnet. Artificially also we have to make the magnet. Suppose that we are taking a magnet. Now the question arises that magnet have two poles, one north pole, one south pole. Magnet have first two poles. Magnet have two poles, north and south. This south used to point in the north direction, this north used to point in the south direction, because our earth is also a big magnet. Now how we will know that? If we will put any object here, suppose that we put an iron object here, it will be attracted toward the magnet. Now who is attracting the magnet? Any magical power is there? No, there is nothing called magnetic power. This magnet used to give the magnetic field line. This magnet used to give the magnetic field lines. Now we have to learn what is magnetic field lines. Some of the properties of the magnetic field lines is that we have to learn about some of the properties of the magnetic field lines. First property of magnetic field line, it used to originate from the north pole. It used to originate from the north pole. Means what are the magnetic field lines properties? Originate from north pole. Originate from north pole and end on south pole. End on south pole. But this condition is for outside magnet. Outside magnet. Second property. But inside magnet it is going from south to north. Inside magnet it is going from now south to north inside magnet. South to north inside magnet. South to north inside magnet. Now second property, it is first property. Second property, these magnetic field lines are continuous closed curve. We can say they are continuous closed. We can say parallel, you can say parallel curves. They are continuous parallel curves near the pole, north pole or south pole. Their density is high, outside the pole density is low, but they are continuous. And third one, that is most important one, what is that? No magnetic lines can intersect each other. No magnetic lines can intersect each other. This is one of the questions, that why two magnetic lines of force cannot intersect each other. See the answer. Two magnetic lines of force, these two are magnetic lines of force. Suppose that they are intersecting. Suppose that two magnetic lines of force, they are intersecting. Then what will happen? At the point of intersection, we can draw two tangent. At the point of intersection, we will draw two tangent. Two tangent means two direction. Two tangent means two direction. That is not possible. Two directions of magnetic lines of force is not possible. Now this is the NCERT question, that why two magnetic lines of force cannot intersect each other? The answer is that two magnetic lines of force cannot intersect each other because at the point of intersection we can draw the two tangents. That means there will be the two direction of the magnetic lines of force, and two direction of magnetic lines of force is not possible. That's why we can say that two magnetic lines of force cannot intersect each other. So this is the introduction of the chapter. Now after that we will learn about the Oersted experiment, right hand rule, left hand rule, straight wire. A lot of fun we will have. So be continue with me in this chapter. This is very funny chapter. And now today I am giving you the first assignment of magnetic effect of electric current.
थोड़ा सा बुक होगा तो उसे मांगो और
कवर चढ़ा दीजिए।
कवर नहीं उसमें कवर, हाँ कवर